Hi, my name is Muhammad Amir Aiman bin Antari and my matrix number is 2020870576.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Kashahizad bin Rahmat Elias Manis. My matrix number is 2020-843664 and I am from class SR113 1D4.
Hi, my name is Maria Amisa Aura binti Miswan Hatta, number matrix of 2020-497016 from SR113 1D4. Okay.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Haziq Aiman Biasnul Nidam. My matrix number is 2020477852. I'm from class SR113 1B4.
Test. Alright, for chapter 2, which is cardiovascular system, I will talk about introduction of cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is sometimes called the blood vascular or simply the circulatory system. It consists of heart, which is muscular pumping device, and a closed system of vessels called arteries, veins, and capillaries.
The cardiovascular system has three main functions. One, transport of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nutrients. Second, clotting of open wounds. Third, regulation of body temperature. So, respiratory system is to supply oxygen to all the cells in the body. Every cell in the body requires a constant supply of oxygen to stay alive. A second critical function of the respiratory system is to supply all the cells in the body with nutrients and energy. In addition to nutrients and oxygen, the blood also carries around important disease-fighting cells. Hormones are crucial chemical signals that the body uses to communicate with itself. Hormones control many things such as growth, the reproductive cycle, and glucose metabolism. The cardiovascular system also plays a role in regulating body temperature. So, it works when you breathe air through your mouth and nose, it travels to your lungs. Oxygen from the air is absorbed into your bloodstream through your lungs. Your heart then pumps oxygenated blood through a network of blood vessels, the arteries, to tissues including your organs, muscles, and nerves all around your body. When blood reaches the capillaries in your tissues, it releases oxygen, which cells use to make energy. These cells release waste products such as carbon dioxide and water, which your blood absorbs and carries away. The deoxygenated blood then travels along your veins and back towards your heart. Your heart pumps the deoxygenated blood back to your lungs, where it absorbs fresh oxygen and the cycle starts again.
Okay, now I will talk about the structure of cardiovascular system. Okay, basically the main structure of our cardiovascular system is heart. So this is heart that I write. Sorry for my bad drawing. Okay, there is so many part of our heart such as superior vena cava, the atria, pulmonary valve, trumpet valve, inferior vena cava, the ventricle, and some more. Okay, the heart is the organ that will pump our blood to all our body to the blood vessel. Okay, firstly I will talk about the aorta. Aorta is the artery that will carry the oxygenated blood to all our body and to the tissue capillaries. So this is our that will be bring our oxygenated blood to the tissue capillaries. And blood that doesn't have oxygen from the tissue capillaries will be back to the atrium, to the vena cava, and that is to vena cava in our heart. That is supposed to vena cava and into the vena cava. So next, I will talk about what will happen to the blood that doesn't have oxygen. The blood from the tissue capillaries that enter the artery that doesn't have any oxygen. The blood that doesn't have any oxygen will be carried to the lungs, to the pulmonary artery. So the pulmonary artery will carry the blood that doesn't have oxygen to the lungs, and that at the lungs, the blood will be supplied with the oxygen and the carbon monoxide will be removed. So the oxygenated blood will be carried back to the heart, to the pulmonary vein. So the lungs will be bring the oxygenated blood to the pulmonary veins. So that's how the oxygen will be supplied to our body. If the cardiovascular system is doing well, our body will receive the oxygen as what they need.
Now I will talk about abnormal heart rhythms. The heart is an amazing organ. It beats in a steady, even rhythm, about 60 to 100 times each minute. That's about 100,000 times each day. Sometimes your heart gets out of rhythm. Your doctor calls an irregular or abnormal heartbeat an arrhythmia. An arrhythmia, also called as dysrhythmia, can bring on an uneven heartbeat, or a heartbeat that is either too slow or fast. Next, disease and conditions. First, stroke. Damage to the brain because blood supply was interrupted. Cerebrovascular accident, causes by bleeding within the brain or blockage of an artery. Second, thrombus, a stationary blood clot from within a blood vessel or the heart that cause obstruction, blood clot. Third, deep vein thrombosis, as known as DVT, formation of a blood clot in a deep vein, usually in the lower legs. The last one is transient ischemic attack, TIA. Blood supply to the brain is briefly interrupted, called mini stroke. Okay, that's all from me. Bye-bye.
In conclusion, we need to do something that can improve our cardiovascular system, especially physical activities, so that the blood circulation in our body runs smoothly. We need to practice something positive while we must avoid something negative, so that we can stay healthy and be able to work with our disease. Therefore, all parties must work together to implement a healthy environment. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, to make it better in the future. This will make our country always peaceful and live in harmony in a healthy style. Thank you.